Welcome everyone. In this session, we will discuss about the shortcut again. Okay, so previously we have completed layers and a little bit of a short video. We have we have edited a video, and we have completed introduction. So now come to forward. Okay, so in this section on page number we are discussing 87. Okay, page number 87. The interface which you are showing on the screen, it is the common interface for if you will open the shortcut application. Okay na? So I am going to open my application, that is shortcut. Okay, I have already installed, and in the previous video I have already told how to install the shortcut. Okay, so it is going to be open. Okay, so you can see there is my interface which is available on my screen. Okay na? So different types of interface may be different versions. Okay na? It depends on your version, which version you are using. That means जो वर्जन आप यूज कर रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग, वर्जन के अकॉर्डिंग इंटरफेस चेंज हो सकता है, बट लिटिल बिट ऑफ चेंज होता है, ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं होता, सब कुछ सेम ही होता है. ठीक है. So come to the our interface, common toolbar, playlist, filters, properties, export. So these are some of the panels, which predefined panels which has given on the screen. Video preview control bar, video preview panel, jobs history panel. So normally what we need have to do, normally normally we need have to understand about the timeline toolbar. Okay na, and timeline toolbar and timeline work. So these two contents we will work on. These two contents we will work, timeline toolbar and timeline work. Okay, timeline to work with audio and video tracks. Okay, it is very important in this whole video. In this whole chapter, we need have to understand timeline. Okay, so the default theme of shortcut is dark. Okay, so the interface of the shortcut application is dark, but you can change. Okay na, you can change like from you can change it light by selecting fusion light theme from settings menu, themes sub menu, and the above sub screen is in fusion light theme. Okay, so आइए light theme को change करते हैं. It is our dark theme. Okay, it is our dark theme, and then I am going to settings, and then where theme, and then you can see there is some options available: fusion fusion dark and fusion light and system. So I am taking fusion light. Settings, theme, fusion light. Okay, it is asking you must to restart shortcut for new theme. So I am clicking yes. Okay, so again we need have to start open shortcut. Okay, now you can see it has came with light we can say light theme. Okay na, but I prefers dark theme. Okay na, so I am using going back to fusion dark. Yes, again we need have to open shortcut for getting the dark screen, fusion dark. Okay, next, adding media files to the playlist. Media files, I already told you students, media files. So what do you mean by media files? Okay, now media files actually, like in the last video I have explained about the media files. Okay, so media files are the images. Okay, media files are the images, videos and audios. Okay, media files normally क्या होता है, जो मीडिया फाइल उसे कहते हैं जिसमें हम लोग वीडियो क्रिएशन का कोई भी काम करते हैं, जैसे ग्राफिकल कुछ भी काम होता है, तो वो जिस जिस फाइल से हम लोग ग्राफिकल यूज करते हैं, ग्राफिकल वर्क करते हैं, ग्राफिकल एक्टिविटी करते हैं, वो हमारा मीडिया फाइल्स में आता है. जैसे मीडिया फाइल्स में आपका आता है लाइक ये आपका फोटो, आपका वीडियो और आपका कोई MP3 या फिर कोई भी वॉइस हम कह सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो दीज आर द मीडिया फाइल्स, ओके। सो ऑलरेडी here you can also see media playlist contains all the videos, audios, files and images. Okay, so these are the media files. Okay, audios, videos and images files of your project you currently work on. You can open the video, audio or images on add to the playlist panel. So if everyone, if you wants to, if you will go for create your project on Shotcut, then if you need have to first you need have to add some playlist, ओके ना। ऐड मीडिया फाइल्स टू योर प्लेलिस्ट, ओके। दैट मीन्स जिस जिस मीडिया फाइल्स जो वीडियो आप क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं उसमें वीडियो में के अंदर कुछ भी कंटेंट आपको डालना है, जैसे कि कोई इमेज ऐड करना हो गया या फिर कोई वीडियो ऐड करना हो गया, ठीक है, वीडियो का कोई कोई क्लिप ऐड करना पड़ गया, फिर कोई वॉइस ऐड करना पड़ गया, तो उसको आपको पहले क्या करना होगा, प्लेलिस्ट के अंदर ऐड करना होगा, ठीक है। प्लेलिस्ट के अंदर आपको ऐड करना होगा, उसके बाद ही आप आगे एक्शन परफॉर्म करवा सकते हैं, ठीक है ना। सो फॉर एडिंग द files you need have to click on open file, okay, and then select your locate your file where you have stored, okay, and after that open, click on open button, so your file will be opened. After opening you will have to add on playlist, okay, click on playlist button to add, and after that, after adding the file to the playlist, you will have to drag that file or add that file on your timeline, okay. So all of these chapters we need have to focus on timeline, okay na, we need have to focus on timeline. So if you will add uh, many of the layers, like many of the track, then it will show as V1, V2, V3, V4, like that, okay na. So it has, you will see, you can see here they are in timeline, you can see there are two sections. First section is going for audio and second section is going for video, okay na. So video effect will show on the top section and audio effect will show on the bottom section, okay. So it is our timeline 00, 55, 150 to 45, like that, okay. So it is our timeline, okay. Play head moves when media is played. When we will play our media, that means when we will play our video, then it will move. It is known as play. It is it is play head. Okay. Next, media file are added to a video track V1. तो हम लोग जब मीडिया फाइल ऐड करेंगे तो यहाँ पर एक लेयर क्रिएट हो जाता है, ट्रैक क्रिएट हो जाता है V1 के नाम से, ओके। चलिए आइए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, हम लोग इस पर वीडियो भी बनाएंगे। Detaching audio from a video. So everyone, if you wants to detach an audio from a video, then you can do, okay na. Like I will show you now, okay. So how to detach any audio from a video, okay. So uh, some of the timeline controls in the next video we will discuss about the timeline control, but in the current session I am going to show you how to add media files, okay, and how to add media files, and after that how to drag it to the timeline, and I am going to detach the audio from that video, okay. I am also show you video has been uh, detached and audio has been detached, okay now. So come everyone, I am going to download a video, okay. Like I am going to download a video from YouTube, I am going to download this video, okay. Everyone, I am going to download that video, okay now. Okay, I am going to download that video, that is a short paragraph from Sundarkand video. So I will detach them. Okay, I am downloading is 360 pixel. Okay, so video has been downloaded. Okay, you can see if I will play that video, then it will play with sound. It will play with sound. So open this file. So you have seen in this video. In this video, it has it is the combination of audio and video both. So I am going to detach it. Okay, now I am going to detach the audio and video both. Okay, so come open the shortcut application. Okay, I have opened that application shortcut, and then I am give the project name. I am giving my project name, that is project name detaching. Okay, then a start. After clicking on a start, you will have to click on open file. So that file is available on downloading. So downloading section, I have added a file. Okay, my file has been added, and then it is the playlist area. You can see it is the playlist area, and I have added by pressing plus symbol. So video has been added, and I am going to add it in on timeline. Okay, so you can see video has been added. Okay, so I am going to decrease my sound because of it is heavy sound. It is having heavy sound. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. So I am going to detach the audio. So right click on the video on that timeline where the video is available, and then choose detach audio. After detaching audio, you will see there are V1 is video track and A1 is audio track has been created. And then now you can create both of the files, okay, separately. So okay, for exporting only sound, you will have to select the V1 and then delete it. I am going to delete uh, by pressing -L. Okay, it has been successfully deleted. Also, mm, remove track. Okay, it has been removed. Okay, so now I am going to export it. Okay, so export file, and then I am giving to the location as on my videos folder. It is already music folder. I am going to export. Before export, you will see it is MP4. That means it is also a MP4 file. That means it is MP4 is the video files. Okay, so I am going to change from the properties. Okay, click on advanced, and then I am going to change it to MP3 because of MP3 is the audio file. Okay, so now export, and then I am saving this file into the music folder. Then save. It will take few time. It has gone failed. Again, I am going to try. Okay, so MP3. Export. Okay, now it has been successfully exported. Okay, now so you will have to also select from the presets MP3, and then export file. Okay, and then click on save. So it has been successfully exported. So now come to the our video section where I have stored in the music folder I have stored. So now I am going to play it. So you have seen video has been removed, and it is on normally an audio. Okay now, so come everyone. Now I am going to remove only audio. Okay now, I am going to remove only audio. So I have came back after detaching, and then I am going to delete this track. Okay, so right click on the audio, and then track, go to track operation, and then choose remove track. After removing track, you can see in this video voice has been erased. So there is video is playing, but there is no voice. Okay now, so I am going to export this file as a MP4. Okay, MP4 is the video file, like MPEG in there. Okay, MPEG export file. If you will choose the MPEG file, then you will get any video file. Okay, it is AVI. You can also choose another. I am taking like X2 H264. So it is coming with MP4. Then save it. It will take few seconds. Okay, successfully completed. Come to our music folder. Okay, so there are two files. One is MP3 and one is MP4. So I am going to play the MP4 video file. But you can see there is no audio. There is no voice. So by using this process, you can detach the audio or video. Okay, by using this process, you can detach the audio or video. I am going to do this activity again. Okay, for showing to you purpose. Okay, so remove it, and track operation, remove track. So there is no track, and I have also already added a video. Okay, so add this video. Okay, by pressing on plus append button. Okay, and then right click detach audio. So after detaching the audio, you can do. Okay now, so thank you everyone. One more thing, if you wants to, last topic is, if you wants to export the audio, then you will have to choose MP3 or any other audio file type. Okay, if you wants to export for video, then you will have to choose any video supportive file type. Okay now, so there are some of the audio properties, audio file types you can search on internet. Okay, and video file types also available on the internet, you can see. Okay, so in by using this process, you can export the audio or video or detach the audio. Okay, so thank you everyone. I am going to save this project. Okay, so if you have any doubts, any confusion, then you can ask on asking on comment section. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.